Hello guys, today we are cooking our beef biryani, and right here we have our ingredients. The first one right here is pure Moya Pishori grade 1 rice. We're going to also need our tomatoes right here, our diced potatoes ready, and then we need onions, and we're going to use these two for garnishing. And right here we have sour milk. This is pilau masala. We'll also need curry powder, biryani masala, food color. We have this strawberry one and this orange one, as well as our tomato paste right here. We'll definitely use meat as well. We're going to use goat meat for today. Stay tuned for that recipe. First thing we want to do is to color our potatoes. We're going in with a yellow or orange food color, just a little bit, and then we sprinkle and mix well to allow the potatoes to attain that beautiful color. So in this saucepan we're going to cook our rice. We have here two glasses of rice already washed. So I'm going to put it right in. Remember, we're using Kenyan Pishori rice. Believe it's the best. Naiva moja moja. So because I have 2 glasses of rice, I'm going in with 4 glasses of water. Is it plain? Yes. 4 glasses of water, 2 for each. And then you stir so that it doesn't stick to the saucepan. I'll add in a pinch of salt to taste. And then cover and let it cook on low heat. Right here I have oil. I'll add in my chopped onions and deep fry them until they're golden brown. So it's now almost golden brown. The trick here is to be careful not to overcook the onions, because if you do, they're going to now be burnt and it will spoil your taste, the taste of your biryani. I'm going to remove them at this point. They're well done. So you remove and set them aside. So in the same oil we're going in with our potatoes. So these are now our potatoes in the same oil. We're going to fry them until they're crispy on the outside. Not fully cooked, but just crispy. And then they'll be done. So our potatoes are now almost cooked. Crunchy on the outside and we're going to set them aside as well. And now we're going to transfer this oil to another saucepan, a bigger one for our meat stew. Perfect! Our rice is well cooked. So we'll also set it aside and wait to add it to our stew, biryani stew. So now we have our meat in the oil. We've cooked it until the texture has changed color. We'll now go in with our spices. This is curry powder. I believe you get to use the spices that you love the most. But of course, because it's biryani, we need biryani masala. I'll put a generous amount of the biryani masala. We need salt to taste. And a little pilau masala for that proof. Now you need to cook this until the fragrance, the aroma can be felt, because you want to kind of marinate the meat and ensure it has the taste. And then go in with our tomatoes. Cover and let it simmer. I also went in with my cucumbers because I love the way they add taste to my food, and because I also have plenty of them in my garden, so I take advantage of every meal to make use of them. So now we add our sour milk. kind reminder to please subscribe to this channel if you've not already. At this point I went in with my other ingredients, including the tomato paste and the food color, a little bit of food color, to my stew, to my biryani stew, and it was ready. I then went ahead to add my pre-cooked rice, which I spread on top of the biryani sauce, and then fluffed it out and leveled it before adding my food color. Finally, we go in with our food color. That's the strawberry one and the orange one. And we have our biryani. Welcome, let's have lunch. Lunch is ready and served in a bit. Let me know if you've ever tried this at home, or if, I'm sure there's 1,001 ways of doing this. Share your recipe down below. I love to learn of new ways to do this. And lunch is served. Thank you so much for watching this far. Subscribe, comment, share, like, and let me know what you think about this recipe. Bye.